Years of neglect have turned this keyboard into forgotten junk. Every key tells the story of years of heavy use.
Every detail is documented before the rebuild begins.
Every key is removed with care.
The keyboard is completely disassembled.
Deep cleaning begins for every single key.
Years of dirt disappear layer by layer.
The electronics receive expert attention.
Every faulty switch is removed with precision.
Fresh switches bring new life to every keystroke. Each new switch is installed with perfect precision.
Every connection is carefully inspected.
Smooth stabilizers create a premium typing experience. The metal frame regains its original beauty. Every corner is cleaned to perfection. A fresh finish transforms the keyboard.
The new finish is ready for assembly.
The keyboard begins coming back together. Every internal component returns to its place. Reliable connectivity is restored. Every keycap shines like new.
The keyboard finally regains its complete layout.
Every key is tested for flawless performance. Brilliant RGB lighting returns to life.
Final detailing makes every surface perfect.
Every final adjustment is completed with care.
The transformation is almost complete.
Every keystroke feels smooth and satisfying.
From forgotten junk to a premium gaming setup. From rust to RGB perfection, this mechanical keyboard lives again.